We have two Java programs. First is Excel and accept the Excel file or a CSV file and processing, and it is printed. It provides the specified row and values should be printed. Second is XML to JSON converted. So let's see first Excel CSV file processing. We have created a Spring Boot project, and second we have created first a package inside the second package and file second package, and we create a class Excel file processing in Java. We have defined the controller first REST controller and request mapping. We accept the path first file and second upload. Now we have received the file and performing the starting row. Check the first path if file is empty or not. If file is empty, then show the error. Second, we go try inside the try catch. We have file and get the content type and storing by the multiple lists. We have list inside a list and check the CSV file is equal to the file type and then processing. If file is same extension not, then show the error. It's show on error unsupported file. We have go to inside the case handle the exception like that file processing not bad request, yes, or internal server error, some things like that. And go the second we have processed the CSV file. We have it taking the input stream and the start rows through the IOX exception. We have created a buffer reader. Every know is a buffer reader about. We have started the line 0. If we'll check and second process Excel. We have right. We have more first thing we require the these processing Excel file, yeah, or CSV file processing and printed the data. We require the inside the POM export two dependency. First dependency is a Spring Started web. Is given when to create a Spring Started project. We this is a by default, and second we require the POI XML. This dependency is converted the Excel file, yeah, or CSV file to check and read the row starting row and columns printed the same. And second is POI is the latest version 5.2.3. If you using the different version, it shows sometimes error. And second is XML beans. This is a dependency. Now we go to run these programs. Program will be started successfully. We go inside the Chrome and printed. Here is so white label error page because this API will be tested by the postman. Will come here and paste here. This is accepted by the post method and send the request. It's a internal server error. We now define the go to body part, select the form data, enter the file and select the file type, file, and select the file, select the employee data Excel file, and now we have tried to send the request again. It's so bad request because it's something wrong in my program. We have checked first. So current request is not a multi-part request. And second is resolved. Something like that. We have set the request get method. Now we send the request. Method is not allowed. Matlab get, means get is not allowed. We have send the request path and bad request. Render multiple path. Just check. We have received the file. Let's guys, we have resolved the program issues because we have issues in the start row. So now we have resolved, and we go the postman. We get go postman. We have paste the URL here, and import the Excel file like that we have first deleted. Now we select the write here file key, write a file. Now we have select the file type, select the file name in Excel, and start row. We given the key value start row, give provide the value 0. Now send the request. Here is said see the all data in format. To then what's the XML file storing the data. Here is all data will be presented in the row columns. This data will be implemented, and now we go for second project. Now we stop this API and close these projects. This both project will be found in the GitHub account. We have push up. Now go the second project XML conversion. Same we have created a Spring Boot project. Now go to here controllers and springs. Sorry, sorry, XML controllers and XML services. We define the application dot properties inside the true 10 MB maximal file request size, and go to the first we have here Spring Boot applications. Now we go to the XML to controllers. We have received the what is my task. My task is accept the XML file and read all values from the XML file and generate the JSON file and saved specified where user want to save the file. So we have create first controller here, and we have upload the file in multiple form data and starting by the row and save the path where user want to save the path. Check the file is empty, then show the file is empty, and output will be converted in a, and provide the JSON file where to user want to save the file path, output path, and go to the second file. We have first file directory exist, yeah, or exist nahi or not, then create a map directory using the map directory method. Make directory basically is an inbuilt method. We have created XML mapper. Get the string. Here is an important point. We have need to require the form.xml file. Inside we need to assign the some dependency. First dependency is a data format dependency, and second is a data band dependency. These two dependencies is important when to implement this program. Now we go to XML to JSON conversion and start the programs. Here is a port number 8080. Now come to controllers. Here is a convert path and second path is a upload path. Okay, go to the postman, first convert and second is upload. Now we have sent the request. It is a bad request because we have provide the different type of the file path. Here is deleted that. Come to form data, select the file type, file, select the file, select the file in XML format and provide and send the request. It's a bad request. Now we have checked what's the problem. Oh, file path. We have provided a save path file, provide the value save path and provide the value where to want to save. Here is a JSON already present. We have deleted this and now we given this path. We have given this path and send the request. Here is write the message JSON file saved in this path. Now we come here folder. Here is we have deleted a before JSON file. Now we have created this JSON file API and open JSON file notepad. Here is C, the all output of the data. Okay guys, this path will copy. Go to Chrome browser. Here paste here and go to JSON file and click here. Here see the JSON where to display the pretty format. Okay guys, thank you.